Taj Mahal Palace Hotel, Mumbai. Today we explore into the ultimate symbol of opulence and elegance, the Taj Mahal Palace Hotel in Mumbai. Not only we are going to explore into the fascinating history of this iconic hotel, but we will also take you on a journey to its stunning rooftop restaurant, Souk. As you can see, the Taj Mahal Palace Hotel stands proudly against the Mumbai skyline, a true architectural marvel that has graced this city for over a century. Built in 1903, the Taj Mahal Palace Hotel holds a rich history that closely connected with India's past. Its unique architectural styles reflects the vision of its founder, Jamsetji Tata. Stepping inside the hotel is like stepping into a kingdom of elegance and opulence. The beautiful designs, crystal chandeliers, and luxurious furnishings all contribute to an ambience that is nothing short of magical. Souk is a rooftop restaurant located on the 21st floor of Taj Mahal Tower in Mumbai. Souk offers not just a meal but an enchanting dining experience. The word souk means marketplace in Arabic, and this restaurant truly lives up to its name by offering a culinary journey through the vibrant flavors of the Mediterranean. Souk's menu is a tribute to the Mediterranean region, offering a delightful array of dishes crafted with precision and authenticity. From delicious starters to fleshy grilled meats, every bite is a celebration of Mediterranean cuisine. The ambience at the Souk transforms into a truly magical experience. The warm and inviting atmosphere of the restaurant making it an ideal spot for a special celebration, enjoying these delicious dishes while gazing at the Mumbai skyline and the iconic Gateway of India. The magnificent Gateway of India holds not just historical significance but also stands as a symbol of India's rich cultural heritage. The Gateway of India, located in Mumbai, holds within its arches a rich history and significance that spans decades. Built in 1911 to honor the landing of King George V and Queen Mary, this grand monument witnessed the farewell of British colonial rule and the dawn of India's independence. Its wonderful architecture making it a true visual marvel. The beautiful pattern, elegant domes, and the central statue all contribute to its timeless charm. The Gateway of India is not just a monument, it is a bustling hub where past and present intersect. It's a place where locals and tourists come together, sharing stories, tasting street food, and taking boat rides to explore the sea. The boat ride from the historic Gateway of India is an exciting and thrilling experience. As the boat gently glides away from the bustling cityscape, you will feel very excited. The cool breeze on your face and the rhythmic sound of waves create a calming atmosphere, allowing you to take in the breathtaking views of the Arabian Sea. On one side, you will witness the city's towering skyscrapers, while on the other, the vastness of the ocean stretches as far as the eye can see. As we conclude this incredible boat ride, we can't help but feel grateful for the opportunity to witness Mumbai's beauty from a unique perspective. Whether you are a local or a visitor, this experience is bound to leave you with memories that last a lifetime. Thanks for watching. Please give us your valuable comments and suggestions. We would like you to press the like button if you have liked this video. If you enjoyed the content of this video and have not yet subscribed to the channel, we would appreciate you subscribe this channel to get notified for our future videos.